Hello, and welcome back to the Handtevy How-To series. In this video, we will go over how to view the EMS protocols. As a reminder, access to the Handtevy system is only for active employees and volunteers of the Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department. There are two ways to view protocols from the Handtevy app. The first method should only be used when you are not engaged in patient care. For example, this could include reviewing a protocol during lineup. First, click on the main menu icon, located in the top right-hand corner of the screen, which resembles three horizontal lines. Next, click on Protocols. You can now browse through the various sections of the EMS manual. You'll notice that the adult and pediatric protocols are at the top of the menu. Additionally, all of the interim medical directives can be found here. To view a protocol, click on the PDF icon on the far right, and you will be taken to that page in the manual. To go back, tap the screen once, and the X icon will appear in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Click the X to return to the protocol menu. Another way to locate the protocol you need is to use the smart search bar at the top. As you begin typing, Handtevy will filter the protocols to match your input, such as allergic reaction, seen here. Once again, click the PDF icon on the right to access the protocol page. Some protocols also feature an icon for the checklist option. You can find another short video in the How-To series library that explains these features. The other way to view the protocols is from a patient's chart. This should be your primary method for accessing a protocol while using Handtevy during a call. First, create a patient. For this example, we will use an 80-kilogram adult. Click on the Protocols icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will be directed back to the Protocol section, where you can browse through various sections of the manual. Note that since we are dealing with an adult patient here, only the adult patient care protocols are visible. Conversely, when you have selected a pediatric patient, only the pediatric patient care protocols will be visible. Again, click on one of the headings to expand the section. You will notice that the PDF button is absent on the right, but a checkable box now appears to the left of each protocol. Check the box of the protocol you wish to view. You can select more than one protocol here. Alternatively, you can use the smart search bar at the top as you did before. For this example, we are selecting abdominal pain and symptomatic care, pain management. Once you have selected the protocols you wish to view, click the green Apply button at the bottom. If you've accidentally navigated into the protocols, you can click the Cancel button to return to the patient's chart. If you've selected at least one protocol, you should now see that Handtevy has automatically created a separate folder called By Protocol, which includes subsections for all the protocols you checked. They encompass all the possible medications that could be administered under that protocol for ease of use. If no medications appear, it means there are no medications to be given under that specific protocol. But wait! ALS providers can administer medications to patients with abdominal pain. Yes, you would be correct, but it's listed under symptomatic care, pain management. You can still view the entire medication formulary by clicking the Full List tab on the left. To view the protocol, return to the By Protocol folder and click the PDF icon on the right side of the screen within the section you want to see. If you accidentally scroll too far forward or backward and lose your place, tap the screen once, and the X icon will reappear in the top left corner. Click the X to return to the main screen, and you can click the PDF icon again to go back to the protocol. To remove any of the protocol sections, click the blue X circle on the right, and it will delete that section. It will not remove any of the medications you have selected to give or request. Once you have removed all of the protocol sections, only the complete medication list will be displayed. If you choose to view the protocol section from the main menu while in a patient chart, this will take you out of that patient chart. You will need to click the X at the top to exit out of the protocol. Then click the menu icon again, select Patients, and finally click the yellow Edit button to return to the patient chart you were working on. This is why we suggest not viewing protocols this way when on a call. Well, that's it. It's just that simple. If you find any errors in the protocols, either in print or with the Handtevy integration, please contact our team. If you have any questions or issues with the Handtevy system, please email us at fire.handtevy@fairfaxcounty.gov. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Handtevy how-to videos coming soon.